Nike Training Club Ultimate Program App. The pros, the cons. Most people think the Nike Training Club app is just a collection of workouts, but the Ultimate Program app is designed to deliver structured, goal-driven training. You won't believe how comprehensive and adaptive it really is. On the plus side, the app offers hundreds of workouts across strength, cardio, mobility, yoga, and endurance. The Ultimate Program creates multi-week training plans tailored to your fitness level, goals, and available equipment. Video demonstrations and clear instructions ensure proper form, while progress tracking and performance metrics help monitor improvement. The app also features personalized recommendations, motivational coaching, and social sharing options, keeping you engaged and accountable. Workouts vary in length, from 15 to 60 minutes, making them adaptable to busy schedules. Integration with Apple Health and other trackers enhances performance tracking and consistency. On the downside, some advanced features and curated programs require the premium subscription, and users with minimal equipment may find certain workouts challenging. While the app is versatile, beginners may need to start slowly to avoid overexertion. Internet connectivity is required for live and on-demand streaming. In conclusion, the Nike Training Club Ultimate Program app delivers a structured, high-quality fitness experience suitable for all levels. Its combination of personalized plans, diverse workouts, and performance tracking makes it a powerful tool for achieving fitness goals. While premium access and equipment needs are considerations, the app's comprehensive content and flexibility make it an excellent choice for anyone serious about training at home.